Today I want to show you how to convert any 6 to 26 volt power source into a dual port charger. Let's go. Hey everyone, welcome to New Tech Pro channel. As you can see, this module have a 2 USB port type A here, and here you can see input voltage is 6 to 26 volt and output voltage is 5.2 V3A. For input voltage we use this DC socket jack for input voltage. Input voltage pad here, negative and positive here. You can soldering red wire for positive and black wire for negative input. Alright, my friends, we created the input section of this charger. Now we can do test. Before the second test, one important note about this charger board amperage. I tell you at the end of the video, so make sure to watch till the end. Let's go to test number 2 with the 12 volt adapter AC/DC. Now let's go to test 2 port.